Take a look at this. This is a PDF summary generated in just seconds using AI. Here is the same document translated into German instantly. And here is a beautifully structured mind map created automatically from the same PDF. This PDF has also been converted into a fully editable Word file with just one click. All of this was done using one single tool, UPDF. Without further delay, let's dive in. Let's go to Google and search for UPDF, then click the very first link. I have also provided the link in the video description. This is the homepage of UPDF, the next-level AI-powered PDF editor. With UPDF, you can effortlessly edit, annotate, and convert PDFs across desktop and mobile, powered by an intelligent AI agent. It simplifies your complex workflows and makes document management faster and easier. Best of all, you can download UPDF completely for free. UPDF is a one-stop PDF solution for every device. You can add highlights, shapes, stickers, e-signatures, and much more. There are many other tools available to make PDF editing easy and effortless. You can edit text, images, and links directly within the PDF, just like you would in a Word document. It is perfect for organizing documents effortlessly and works great on iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Your work syncs between desktop and mobile, so you can work from anywhere. It is truly a universal PDF editor for every need, ideal for both education and enterprise use. One of the most important aspects of UPDF is security. It includes secure cloud storage for file backup in a professional data center. UPDF AI utilizes OpenAI technology and fully complies with all user privacy agreements. It also offers secure data transmission, and many PDF tools are available for offline use, keeping your sensitive information safe from online risks. To get started with this amazing tool, go to the top of the page and click on Free Download. Once the application is installed successfully, let's open it. This is the main interface where you can see your recent installed files. You can open a file directly from your device or upload documents to your cloud storage. There are also different tools available, including an AI feature for interacting with your documents. Now click on Open File, select a PDF file from your computer, and click Open. Once the PDF is uploaded successfully, your file is ready to work with. On the right side of the canvas, you will find features such as search, thumbnails, bookmarks, comments, forms, and attachments. From the toolbar, you can access tools to comment, edit, and organize pages. You can also convert your PDF into an image, Word file, and more. From the annotation tools, you can highlight important text, underline it, insert new text, or replace existing text. You can also add comments, text boxes, shapes, attachments, stickers, stamps, and e-signatures directly into your PDF. Let's start editing. First, I want to highlight some important text. I will select the text and click on Highlight. It instantly highlights the selected text. You can change the highlight color according to your preference. There are different colors available to choose from. You can also underline or strike through text, making it easy to mark important points in your PDF. Now, let's add a text box. I will click on the text tool and insert it into the PDF. For this demonstration, I will type Sujata Ahmed and press Enter. After that, you can change the text color and it will update instantly. You can also change the font style, font size, and even add a border size and border color. This makes it very easy to personalize and enhance your PDF file. Next, let's add sticky notes. Click on Sticky Notes and select Take a Note. Once inserted, you can type your important points here. For example, I will type, "This is very important," and press Enter. When you hover your cursor over the note, it will display the text you have written in the comment box. These notes are great for study preparation and quick references. You can also use the pencil feature to draw shapes or underline points freehand. From the Shapes menu, you can find different styles of shapes and insert them into your PDF with ease. Once a shape is placed, you can add a fill color and change the border style as needed. UPDF also allows you to add attachments and stickers. Click on Stickers to explore a wide variety of options, and you can even generate AI stickers. Once you select a sticker and insert it, you can adjust its opacity according to your preference. For stamps, you can find custom stamp options and pre-made template stamps. Simply select the one you need, insert it into your PDF, and adjust the opacity as required. You can also create a fully custom stamp. Now let's add an e-signature. Click on Signature. From here, you can select a locally saved signature or choose one from your cloud storage. To create a new signature, click on Create. You can draw it using your mouse, type it using your keyboard, or upload an image of your signature. For this demonstration, I will use the keyboard, type my name, and click Create. The signature is instantly created and inserted into the PDF. You can then adjust its size and placement according to your need. Now, let's explore UPDF AI. You can chat with the AI to instantly fetch useful information from your document. In the prompt bar, I will type I need the key points of this PDF file and press Enter. UPDF AI will immediately start extracting the key information. Once the process is complete, you can see all the key points of your PDF right here. No more reading through the entire document, just use this feature to get a quick and accurate summary. There is also a Translate feature. Click on Translate, select the page numbers you want to translate, and choose your target language. For this demonstration, I will select 2 pages and choose German as the language. Then click Translate. It instantly converts the English PDF into German. With UPDF, you can translate your entire PDF into different languages easily and effortlessly. Now, let's generate a mind map to visually understand the entire PDF. Click on Mind Map and select Generate Mind Map page by page. I will select one page and click Generate. UPDF will now start generating the mind map. Once it is ready, you can insert it into the home page, save it at PDF size, download it as a PDF, or download it as an image. Let's download it as an image. Click on Image, and it will take a few seconds to download. Once the download is complete, let's open and view the image. As you can see, the mind map is very high quality. Every detail is clear and easy to read. You can generate this type of mind map for any PDF easily and effortlessly using UPDF. On the right side, you will also find additional options such as translating the image, summarizing it, getting an explanation, or chatting with UPDF AI about it. Now let's look at the conversion tools. Click on Tools, and from here you can use Ochre, compress your PDF, or convert it into another format. Let's convert this PDF into a Word file. Click on Convert to Word, select a page range, for example, pages 1 to 5, and click Apply. After saving the file, UPDF will start the conversion. Once the Word file is downloaded, open it and see that your PDF has been perfectly converted into an editable Word document. With the help of this amazing and advanced tool, you can edit, annotate, chat with AI, translate, generate mind maps, and convert your PDF into Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files, all according to your needs. From now on, say goodbye to expensive PDF editors. Use UPDF for all your document work, easily and effortlessly. I will provide the download link in the video description. Try it out for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Ustad 2.0 for more AI tools, tutorials, and technology content.